Today we will do exercise 5.3, question number 2. Convert the following into decimals. Now I have written questions. Now A part is 6 by 10. We will convert into, this is in fraction, we will convert into decimals. Now we will write numerator first. Numerator is 6 and its denominator is 10. So when denominator is 10, 1 0 is there. If 1 0 is there in denominator, we will write decimal from back side after one digit. So it is 0.6. Now B part, we will write numerator first. Numerator is 32. I have written. Now here two zeros are there in denominator. So we will put decimal after two digits from back side. 1, 2. Now we will put decimal here. Then we will write 0. Now C part is 502. We will write numerator first. Here three zeros are there. So we will write decimal after three digit. 1, 2, 3. We will put decimal here. Now it is 0.502. Now D part is, it is in mixed fraction. So first we will convert this into improper fraction. 100 multiply with 7. 100 7 ja 700. 700 plus 5. It is 705 by 100. Now we will write numerator 705. 705. Here two zeros are there. So we will write decimal after two digit from back side. 1, 2. We will put decimal here. Question number 3 is convert the following decimals into fraction. Now these sums are in decimals. We will convert into fractions. We will write the number 0.82. I have written same number. Now we will remove decimal, write 1 in denominator, then after decimal two digits are there, then we will write two zeros here, and we will write this 82 by 100, or this is 0.82 or 82 hundredth. When we write in words, it is 82 hundredth. Two places are there after decimal. So we will write 82 hundredth, means 82 by 100. Next is 2.25. 25. Then remove decimal, write 1 in denominator. After decimal two digits are there. We will write two zeros in denominator. So it is 100. We will write 225 by 100. Next is 7.004. We will remove the decimal, write 1 in denominator. Then after decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 zeros here. So it is 7004 by 1000. Now question number 4. Give the place value of the underlined digit in each of the following. Now place value of underlined digit. Now it is ones place, it is tens place. After decimal, first place is called tens place and next is hundredth place. But in this question we will write only underlined digit place. So after decimal, first place of 9 is 10th place. So we will write 9 tenths. 9 tenths is equals to 9 by 10. We can write 9 tenth or 9 by 10. Next is 8. Before decimal 8 is there. So before decimal ones place is there. 8 is on ones place. So we will write 8 ones or 8. Then C part is 329.008. Now it is 10th place. After this 100th place, then 1000th place. So 8 is on 1000th place. So we will write 8 thousandth or 8 by 1000. Now exercise 5.4, question number 1. Write the following numbers in all the three ways of the expanded form. Now we will write 25.75 in expanded form in three ways. First is place value form, second is decimal form, third is fractional form. Now first we will write 25.75. its places we will write, it is ones place, it is tens place, and after decimal it is 10th place, and it is 5 is on 100th place. Now we will write place value form. So we will write 2 tens plus 5 ones, then plus 7 is on 10th place. So we will write 7 tenths plus 5 is on 100th place. So 5 100th. Now this is the place value form. Now decimal form, 2 tens 20 plus 5 ones means 5. Then plus 7 tenth. 7 tenth means 7 by 10, and when we represent into decimal it is 0.7. 7 is on 10th place. 0.7. Now 500th. 5 is on 100th place. So we will write 0.05. This is the decimal form. 2 tens means 20. 5 ones means 5. 7 tenths. 7 is on 10th place. After decimal 7 is there. So after decimal 7 I have written. So it is 10th place. In question also it is on 10th place, and in decimal form also we will write on same place. 5 is on 100th place. When we write in decimal form 0.05. 0 is on 10th place and 5 is on 100th place. So 0.05. Now fractional form. 2 tens we will write same, 20 plus 5 ones means 5 plus 7 tenth. 7 tenth means it is fractional form. So we will write in fraction. 7 by 10. 7 tenth. 5 hundredth. So we will write 5 by 100. Now C part is 695.008. We will write in expanded form. First we will write in place value form. So 5 is on ones place, 9 is on tens place, and 6 is on 100 place. So we will write 6 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 5 ones plus. Now after decimal 0 on 10th place 0 is there, so we will not write. Then 100th place also 0 is there, so we will not write. Now 8 is on 1000th place, so we will write 8000th. So this is the place value form. Now decimal form we will write. We will write 600 plus 9 tens 90 plus 5 plus. Now it is 0.008. So 8000 we will write 0.008. Same place after decimal, then here also. Now fractional form. Before decimal we will write same 600 plus 90 plus 5. Now 8 is on 1000th place, so we will write 8 by 1000. Now in this way we will do expanded form in 3 ways. Thank you and have a nice day.